it's Hillary and welcome back for another Creative Faith video. Today I'm going to show you guys all of the new stuff that you guys can pick up in my Etsy shop. This has been a really exciting launch to create and pray and gather and put together for you all, and so I hope you're excited as I am. So I'm going to show you guys, I have 4 new Traveler's Notebooks. I have 1 pocket size semi-custom Traveler's Notebook, 3 new stickers, and a new devotion kit. So I'm just going to briefly walk through these new goodies, and I will have everything linked in my Etsy shop in the description box below if you're watching this on YouTube. And a lot of things in my shop have been selling out pretty quickly, so be sure if you are wanting to pick something up that you grab it ASAP, especially the devotion kit. When I launched Jonah earlier in 2020, it sold out twice within 48 hours, and so definitely grab one if you are wanting it. And also, remember, if you are a part of my email newsletter family, you guys got an exclusive discount code. I don't normally discount new items, but I did for my email newsletter family, so be sure if you are a part of that you use your code. And if you're not, be sure you sign up to get my email newsletters. The link is always in the description box on my YouTube videos. It is a great place where I share encouragement, a bit of my heart. I share new launches and sales and freebies, and so it's a really awesome email newsletter list to be a part of. So where should I start? Oh my goodness, there's so many fun things. Let me begin by showing you the new notebooks. So these are dot grid notebooks, and I have 4 new covers for you, and I'm really excited about these. I thought they were really fun as we're kind of heading into fall and winter to have some different dot grid notebooks. I love dot grid. It's my favorite because it helps you make boxes and write straight, but it is less obtrusive, I feel like, than lined paper. So that's why I love dot grid. And so I've heard good feedback too from you all as well. So this first notebook says, "In dark seasons, look up," and it has this really pretty blue background that I made. And this telescope image is actually from my Seasons of Prayer winter set, printable in my Etsy shop, which I'll link in the description box below too. And then it has this for the cover page, has a little note from me, and then a bunch of dot grid paper. So really beautiful. And these you can pick up on Amazon or in my Etsy shop. So you can, if you go to my Etsy shop and they're sold out, head to Amazon. And it's great because it's free Amazon Prime shipping. Alright, next we have these really fun mugs that I drew. I love hot chocolate and mugs, and so I really wanted to make this notebook. I thought the background kind of looked like coffee or hot chocolate, and the white could either represent snow or mini marshmallows. And then it has my hand lettering, notes on the front. So I thought this would be a fun, well, kind of wintry, but to be quite honest, I drink warm drinks all year long. And the same dot grid paper inside. So I called this one the Cozy Mugs Traveler's Notebook. And so all of these are sized to fit into a Traveler's Notebook system. And so that's a great size. It's my favorite size. And so, yeah, I wanted to mention that. Next, we have these fall leaves. This one has a blue background, and this one has kind of like a mauve-y purple. These leaves came from my Dancing Leaves set that I have in my shop, which I will link in the description box below. And it has journal and my hand lettering. And let me know if you guys would want to see a video. There is a way to stamp on these. It is like a slip cover, so my favorite way to do it is using VersaFine black ink and then clear embossing powder on top. So you can't just stamp with VersaFine ink and it's good to go. It'll smear for forever. But if you emboss it, it works out well. So I might add gratitude, or you could add lots of different things in the space above it if you want for journal. And again, on the inside it says that same thing and has dot grid paper. So these are really fun for fall because it's almost fall. Next, I'm going to show you guys the 3 sticker designs I have. So this first one says shine your light in the world. And these are all waterproof, so they work great on water bottles. I love putting them on my Bible cover, on notebook covers. Lots of really great ways to use your Creative Faith vinyl stickers. And then this one says don't give up. And then this is actually, you can see it's called Kiss Cut. So it's cut all around in that shape. And this is just one that I really liked this message, and just thinking and reminding you guys to not give up no matter how hard of a season you're in right now. And then the last one is another, again, it's called Kiss Cut sticker, and it says hope grows here with these cute little flowers. I love how that one turned out. And then we have these semi-custom Moleskine pocket traveler's notebooks. So by semi-custom, what I mean is you guys can pick from these 5 stickers to have them put on the cover. So I will put them on the cover for you, and you had to pick from these 5 options. And so here is kind of an example of the Daughter of the King one. And then the pencil one will go like this. Write God's word on your heart. And I'll show one more example. This is kind of how big the world one would be. The gratitude one would be a really good idea too. You can make a little gratitude journal. The inside pages are lined, and it has a perforation here. Has the little Moleskine pamphlet, and then the back has a little pocket and my logo on the back. And these are limited quantity, and when I sell out, I sell out. So be sure to grab one of these if you want. And this would also make a really great gift, a semi-custom traveler's notebook, pocket size. And then last thing in my Etsy shop is the new Gospel of Light devotion book. And I do have a separate YouTube video walking through the 2 different physical kits I have in my shop. This is the deluxe kit, and then I have a regular version. So I will link that video in the description box below if you want to check out more in detail about the Gospel of Light. I'm really excited to go through this together as a Creative Faith community. And then lastly, I wanted to let you guys know that I have a restock in my Etsy shop of a few items that you guys have been asking me about. So the first thing is the Peonies Dot Grid Notebook. And this was the first dot grid notebook that I made in my shop. And so this is available in my Etsy shop again. And then I restocked all 4 of the prayer journals in my Etsy shop. I do have a flip through of these, and I think it's on IGTV, so I'll link that in the description box below. 40 different prayer prompts and blank pages to journal about those topics and verses on the bottom. And I think that was it. I'm looking around my desk. I also wanted to let you guys know that if you wanted to pick up Gospel of Light but didn't want to grab it from my Etsy shop, you can also get it on Amazon. So I have a whole blog post with all of these Amazon journals linked, and so it's free Amazon Prime shipping if you want to get them on Amazon. So that is another option if they're sold out in my shop when you're watching this, or yeah. And so there's also one more new thing in my shop. It is this printable, the Gospel of Light printable. And so it comes with 4 pages. You get washi strips and a little traveler's notebook sized card, hand-lettered verses. I love these journaling spots, and a big piece of patterned paper. I printed it on vellum as well, and stay tuned Saturday for a video showing how I use the Gospel of Light kit. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to head over to my Etsy shop and grab some of the new goodies. I'm really excited about this launch, and I hope you are too. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any Creative Faith YouTube videos. Leave any questions for me in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.